Shane gets the Bobo when Karen walks by. I am looking at the hot one. Do you like hot dogs? Shane likes to lick them. In the ass. Anally. You're looking at Amanda Sabers, Shane? Shane's looking at Amanda Sabers. Shane, oh my god, Shane's staring at his second cousin. Shane's staring at his second cousin's twice removed off his cock. In his car. In the same day. All night. He tells me to shut and fuck someone up. Shane likes Amanda Sabers' boobs. Shane is a little fag. He sings a Pledge of Allegiance to the stars. I pledge allegiance to the flag. Shane is a little fag. He used to play with little toys. Now he plays with little boys. Shane's looking at the hot one. I'm looking at a different one. Shane's looking at Amanda Sabers. Shane gets the Bobo when looking at blonde ones. Awkward silences. Meow, wow, wow, wow. Bobo means I get the hot one. I fucked the hot one last night. Shane fucked the hot one last night. He fucked Hannah last night. Shane is staring at Kayla Kelly. Shane got anal penetrated. The Bobo eats the gay monkey. Like I said, Shane's Bobo eats the gay penis wrinkles. He wants to fuck her. He wants to fuck Karen anally in her bedroom using bondage. Oh yeah. Shane licked Karen's boobs and the rest of the hot ones in the room anally. And here's our good friend Wang Sabers to give you his own new history report. Shane, this is all for you. It's recording? Oh, okay. I got no boo. No wait, I don't got no boo boo. Leah stand out and see her ass is sticking out. Whoa, goodness. No way, Kenny. Kenny, what are you doing? Kenny, you listening, counselor? Kenny thinks Trevor's acting really gay and wants to kick his ass, and Michael said another swear word because he looks at porn in the computer at the school. You're supposed to just look at that at home. My account got hacked on RuneScape. And Kenny's looking at Kayla. Oh, and I had like 120k this time. Last time I had 80k. Yeah. Sucks A. And my guy's like level 68, I think. 69 now. Yeah, I like increased him. Increased his performance. I don't know what that means. What the Gluckma Smaka do manka. Oh. Friction between two bodies of water equals mass divided by Gluckma. Backwards. There is a little green cub. So it means you color yourselves green with paint and then you go crazy upside down sex. So no way. Girl at 2 Falls, Jesus, holy shit. You already made Vanessa a non-virgin. What do you think you're doing? Oh, the Bobo! It's got me! The cows are cutting out. They're humping everything, including the post. Help us, please. I'd like to help the Peril Town. Please call 187-642-256 penis. Fuck me. That'll be all. /wangus.com. Well, if I say goodbye, there's a printer over there. This thing's kind of annoying. It's blocking my frickin' view. I think it's called a machine. And I don't got double bow. Hey, Horsey Venus! Oh my God, Charlie, we're on a bridge, Charlie. What do you want? We're on a bridge, Charlie. Oh, I already said that part. What the hell? Hi, Kenny. Let's go to Candy Mountain, Charlie.
What the hell do you guys want?
We're going to Candy Mountain.
There's no such thing, guys. Let me go back to sleep.
No, you silly sleepyhead. Wake up.
Fine, I'll go with you to Candy Mountain.
We're going on an adventure, Charlie. We're going on an adventure. Bob.
Cody, Shane wants to fuck Cody.
Loose and floppy balls.
Floppy balls are loose and floppy. Floppy balls, floppy balls. Balls. Slob. Balls, slob. Balls, slob. Penis is knees, penis, knee, monkeys, apples, bananas, pineapples, carrots, random things. Waka. Hey, look, it's a midget.
I see dead people.
You love to do,
No, Shane, no. Nipples. Lick my chocolate nipples.
What? Lick my chocolate nipples. I'll give you some little nickels. Just don't suck my pickles. But if you do take your time, I'll pay you a dime.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it. Just drop it like it's hot. Oh yeah.
Drop it like it's sexy hot.
Somebody go and get a towel. We need to clean this mess up. Drop it like it's hot. Oh. Somebody get a towel. We need to clean this mess up. Oh, Shane wants to say something. He made a mess. I like rutabagas, flour tortilla chips, and guacamole. And oh, the child goes me. It's raping my
Have you read your encyclopedia lately?